Alright guys, so let us take a look at the gold market. Okay, so let us determine is there a potential for coming week. Okay, so as usual what we do is we go through this top down analysis. Okay, this is H4, we go to the monthly. So monthly we can see that it's still consolidate around this area here. Okay, so another more week for this monthly candle to close. Okay, so we go to weekly. Okay, again the weekly is still the same thing. Okay, gold is basically still consolidate around this area over here, right? So this one is the area over here. Okay, so after the huge rejections last 2 weeks, and then last week actually just a retracement around here. Okay, so basically overall it's still consolidate in the weekly time frame. All right, so we go to daily. So daily you can see as well is still again consolidate in this area over here, right? So if you can see it's still actually consolidate around this area over here. Okay, so then we go to a H4 time frame. I believe H4 time frame you can actually see quite clear picture over here. All right, so if we put this trend line over here, you see from here to here, all right, and then also from here to here, you can basically see that gold is basically still compressing right in this compression flag over here. All right, so we have to wait for the huge movement unless you have to break up from this compression, either break up or either break up down here. Okay, so another thing we can see from here as well is overall in H4 time frame. So if we put this two zone over here, right? First, this is the first zone, and this one is the second zone here. All right. So this one is a strong support over here, resistance. Okay, resistance. Okay, and this one basically is still a support, strong support all over here. Okay, so what we need to monitor for the gold market is, okay, unless gold have to either break up from this zone over here, okay, either from this zone over here or break up from this support over here. Okay, you break up from the support over here, then you will have a massive fall down over here, right, from the bigger picture of a compressions. Okay, so unless if you have to break up of this zone over here, so you have to break up from this resistance zone over here. All right, so then gold could have the potential to actually go higher, right? Okay, so where is the next zone that we can actually monitor at? Okay, so this one is another strong supply zone over here because of a base drop over here. Okay, this one is a strong zone that we can actually monitor, and also this one could be a third touching. Okay, first, second, and this one could be a third touching. Okay, it's a third touch of a H4 trend line over here, right? It's a H4 trend line. Okay, so for the next week is what we can actually foresee is gold probably still consolidate in this zone over here. Okay, so you either have to break up, okay, or you have to break up down. Okay, so let us take a look at the next week market. Okay, so, and guys, remember to join my Telegram DTA International Academy for more informations and daily educations. Okay, so see you guys there.